This is old man PHP. I create PHP video tutorials for the old guys who want to learn a new skill and compete with the young crowd. This will be video number 109. This is a register video, and it can be used with any of the login forms. You know, when you normally, if you're new to a membership and you don't have username and password, well, you can use this to create it. Okay, it'll be something like you can use it with. Let's see. I may have one here. Let me see. Yeah. That's because I was doing password. You put a username, password, and if it doesn't work, but see this right here, new users. So when you hit the new users, you get this registered form, and it's the same way. You know, we've seen this before in another video, where you first name, last name, and put all this information in there. You agree to the terms and conditions. You hit it. Right now I don't have it set up to a database. Not that not only that, it calculates the, where is it? Right here, the token, right? So when you, it'll be here as a hidden form, and then what happens is once you submit it, it calls register.php. Register.php, which is, let me see, let's move this down a little bit. See, creates a session, right? Finds out that it's post, and of course it checks. Let's put the space here. Then it checks to see, right? Remember the token? We've seen this before. If there's a problem with it, of course you get a password. But if not, then it goes through all the, you know, I'm using this, and it says strip the lashes. You don't have to do any of this stuff, though, because it's a strip, because this thing here will do a lot of it. And when you hit down to, but this is a good way too, you know, you want to check for, you know, emptiness and all the other good stuff. And of course you would need the, your database credential, right? And you can get that from the hosting company. Then of course it gives you, remember, you use the prepare statement, and of course these apply. So you've seen this already. Then you execute it, and if you comment these things out and you make sure that the names and the stuff is proper, then you can send an email, and then after it redirects you back to this, you know, registration, not the registration, the login. Remember the one we just saw? Once you pass this in, it'll send you right back to, do I have it? Yes, I do. It'll send you back to the login form. Like, of course this will be working because you make it work. This, it'll send you right back here. So now you put username, password, and then you'll go right back in there. But right now I'm not using database. Right now I don't have anything set up. No, I am using a database and stuff, but I don't have it set up here for this particular case. I don't have a table called users, but you know, just like the other videos, I showed you how that's done, right? And you just do it. Just work on it. This will work for you. It's really good. It does work. Trust me when I tell you. And I just wanted to share this with you. I wanted you to have it. I'm going to put it in the description below, so that way you can have it. And that's it. That's all I got. Give me a thumbs up if you like more, to give you more stuff like this with the scripts intact. Let me know, and I'll keep creating them. There are a couple of ones that I want to do. I wanted to do some military stuff, forms, and just website simple thing, but different design. That way you can use it. I was using it for the military stuff, but you don't have to. You can do it for anything else. I think I'll share that with you too, and I'll give you all the scripts and stuff that, and again, and all those videos, I will have it in the description below. That's it. We'll reach the bottom. This is a little quickie, and it will work. Trust me when I tell you. And at least I'm sharing some of these things. I just want to make sure everybody gets as many things as possible. You know, we went through the whole PHP thing, and we went through a lot of the forms and a lot of this and the contact form and how that works and security. So I think I'll give you a bunch of different ones. I got like 3 more to go, maybe 3 more, and then we're gonna go straight to the data structure. I mean, that's gonna be important because we'll be dealing with the big old notation. All right, so you know, please thumbs up. Let me know if you want something. Put in the comments below. Thank you very much, and a good night.